Pull of course, it'll take a second.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
My name's Officer Westman. Stop is being recorded. The reason you're being stopped was a few things. So, when you turned onto California Street, you didn't use your turn signal. Then you almost hit a curb. Then you made a left-hand turn here onto A Street. Again, not using your turn signal.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Were you just distracted by something?
I'm sorry, I usually...
Okay.
We're here frequently, so
okay.
sorry.
I see you have blood coming down your hand. What's going on with that?
Oh, that's a personal reason, yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Alright, did you cut yourself?
Yep.
How long ago?
I don't really think that's any of your business, I'm sorry.
Alright, I'm just concerned.
No, that's fine. No, I'm just here to...
Okay, do you have your driver's license with you?
I do. Wait. I don't have my wallet with me, actually.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Do you have your registration and insurance for the car?
Will that...
One Direction!
Hello? Yep. What do you mean?
I need you to focus on the task at hand. Your phone call is not the priority.
Sorry, I gotta go. I'm sorry, bro. What's up?
I need your registration and insurance for the vehicle. How old are you?
19.
Okay.
I think. Okay. I think this is my... Let me make sure. Okay, yeah. This is my recent insurance. I got a new car last year.
Okay.
This is here. And I think this is my...
It talks about warranties and all sorts of things.
Is this not the
so
right?
No, that one is not. This one's your registration.
Okay.
You were looking for an insurance card.
Insurance, okay. I think that's on my app.
Great. Okay, Mairead, can you come talk to me outside the car, please? Because I'm instructing you to step out of your vehicle.
Is there a reason why?
It's a lawful order. You have to step out of your vehicle now.
Is there a reason? Is it a lawful order?
Yes, ma'am. Step out of your vehicle. Can you come back here? So I'm concerned. How you doing?
This is where I live.
Okay, cool.
So I just walk by.
Yeah, sounds good. So, I'm kind of concerned about how much alcohol you had to drink tonight, plus your driving. Would you be willing to do some voluntary field sobriety tests?
Is that a voluntary thing?
Correct, they're voluntary.
So if I say no, what does that do?
Then I have to make my decision based on the observations to this point.
Which is, like, based on what?
Your poor driving.
Poor driving based on what? Me not putting my blinker?
Not using your blinker, nearly striking the curb. When you pulled into this parking lot, instead of just coming to a stop, we went through all of these cars and then came back here.
Well, this is where I was pulling into, so...
Okay. You just have to say yes or no you want to do the test.
What do I do if I say no?
What
happens if I say no?
Then I have to make my decision based on the observations I've seen at this point.
Which is what?
Can
you be honest with me?
Yeah.
If I say no, like, what happens beyond that?
If I believe that you're...
I'm, like, just genuinely, like, scared of, like, what's going on here. Like, I've seen too many videos, and I'm scared that I don't, like, trust you guys. So, like, what's going on beyond that? I'm here.
So, I think you're intoxicated.
Okay.
Okay. So, at this time, you are under arrest. Place your
What?
hands behind your back.
Wait, no.
No, don't tense up. Don't tense up. Relax.
No.
Relax.
What the?
She has bright blood on your hand.
Joey, get anything, please.
No one will walk up to this. Otherwise, they will be detained.
What do you mean I'm under arrest?
Relax.
What do you mean? I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I didn't
do DUI.
What do you mean? I didn't do anything.
You have the right to remain silent.
Get my car, I'll leave.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law.
Get him to get my car at least,
You have
Joey.
the right at this time to talk to an attorney and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you without cost if you so desire.
Tell him to get my car at least, Joey.
You can decide at any time
He's in there. Tell him to get my car
not
at
to
least.
make any statements or answer any questions.
Today is the 15th of September, 2023. It is 01:28 hours.
I don't have my
Yes.
anything.
She said it was a personal reason. She didn't want to talk to me about it. Okay, we're going to walk to the rear of my patrol car. Do you have anything on you that would stick or stab me, like a pocket knife, needles, something of that sort?
Nope.
Okay. Do you have pockets on your skirt?
No.
Or are these shorts?
No.
Okay.
Can I at least have my phone?
Relax, please. Please, relax. Fighting this is not going to change anything. I need you to relax, okay? Not at the moment. I'll come talk to you in a second. Have a seat.
What are you? You haven't even. What are
Would you like
arresting me
medics
for?
to come look at your wrist?
No.
Okay.
Can you just? Why are you arresting me?
You are under arrest for operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol to the point that it's impaired your driving.
Red, you want me to get your phone for you?
Like I can use it?
Well, you can have it with you. He's probably going to take you to the police station. You probably want to have it with
Why
you.
am I? Okay, can I ask? You guys have not had any like official?
For DUI.
Yes. Why are you guys arresting me? Like, may I ask? Like, you guys have no official like information of why you're arresting me.
Well, he has to go by his observations. So what he saw, what he smelled.
Which is what?
Oh, I'm not.
Me not turning my fucking blinker on, which is what half the people in Pullman do.
Well, I'm not going to argue. You want your phone though?
Yes. Ask Nathan where my phone is. And
Yes, Nathan. Okay.
Appreciate you guys not walking up.
Sorry.
What questions can I answer? I can't answer all of them.
I'm her boyfriend.
Yep.
Can I just ask what's happening?
She is under arrest for DUI. She's highly intoxicated.
I told her not to
And
drive.
she's driving real
I
poor.
told her I would walk there, and I got a call saying she was talking on her way.
What are the next steps for us to go?
She'll be with me for about the next 6 hours.
As her boyfriend, what can I do?
Nothing really.
What about
We're going to make sure that her phone goes with her, so when she's
So
released...
should I contact her parents? Should I?
I wouldn't.
Let's wait.
Just let it
That'd
happen?
be her. That'll be her choice.
What about a vehicle?
We're just gonna lock it up here.
Just leave it here. Just leave
Yep.
it here.
Yep. Okay.
Is it on right now?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can you,
don't worry about it. We'll
can you
take care
guys
of it.
Turn it off, please.
Yes. We're gonna lock it.
All right. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.
All right. She'll give you a call when she has an opportunity.
Can I tell you something and not?
I'm
make it
recording.
obvious? No, I know. If you're
So-
recording, whatever, but not make it obvious to her.
Sure.
Would just really appreciate. And this night has been very rough for her. And the reason she came over here, and I told her not to. I said I will walk to your house, and I don't know why she didn't listen. But she's just not in a good place right now. So if you'll keep that in mind, I would really,
So where
really.
the cutting is coming from and all that stuff?
Yeah.
Is she bleeding right now? 'Cause she told me she was cutting herself tonight.
It's dried, so it's not like
So,
actively bleeding.
but please keep
Yeah.
an eye
We'll
on
continue
that.
to talk to her about it and try to get her resources.
And we'll get her medics too
Right.
if she needs it.
Yeah. Right now she
Thank
just
you very much.
doesn't want that. So. Okay. All right. I know it's a lot of information to process in the moment.
I'm not saying it, but I understand. But I just want you guys to know that she's not there mentally 100%. And she's obviously, I could tell by the way she was talking to you guys, she's drunk and not there. So
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Okay.
Please.
All
He
right.
said they're going to be about 6 hours with her,
Yep.
and then they'll find a way to go
Did you
get her.
find a cell phone?
So in the morning,
She wanted him to look for it in the car.
in the morning, should I come to the police station and pick her up?
So how about this? She wants you to find her cell phone to make sure it goes with her. Do
In
you
the
mind
car-
looking
in
in
the
the
car?
car?
Yeah.
Yep.
You know what it looks like.
Yeah.
Grab her cell phone, and then yes, she'll be able to give you a call.
Do you want me to give you guys the keys?
Sure. If you want to roll up the windows and lock it. Yep, we'll make sure this goes with her. Cool. Thank you. Yes, yes.
In the morning, should I come to the police station
If that's what she wants.
and pick her up? Okay.
Yeah, as long as you're sober.
And will she be able to call me in the morning to tell me?
Yeah,
that,
when she
or...
gets released, she'll have her cell phone. She'll be able to call whoever
and she'll be released at in 6 hours or in the morning.
Yes, as long as she doesn't have a prior DUI. If she had a prior DUI or warrants for arrest, then she'd have to go to jail.
I know she doesn't, so.
Okay. All right. Yep.
Can I get out?
Yep. All right. You can stand to the right of the door so I can get the next door for you. We're gonna go up to that brown chair in front of you.
Do you want me to sit in it, stand in it, or what?
No, I don't want you to stand in it, but you can have a seat.
Can you take these off, please? Can I have my phone?
No,
Why?
so that's not part of the process.
Okay, I don't want to be here for the rest of the night. I'm old.
Regardless if you provide a sample or not, you're going to be here for the majority of the evening.
Are you kidding me?
Not one bit. So whether you provide the sample or not does not change that fact. You're under the age of 21. You've consumed a fair amount of alcohol to the point
How
that
do you
you're
know that?
impaired. Based on my observations.
Based on your observations, right? Okay. So, if I say no, then what? If I say yes, then what?
If you say yes, then we do the 2 samples, just as I described in this document. If you say no, I mark it as a refusal, and I continue with the paperwork.
And if you mark it as a refusal, then what?
Then it can be used in a criminal trial. Why don't I just read this document again? Because you have questions about exactly
No,
what
I
was
heard
said.
what you said, but I want to hear like if I say yes, this. If I say no, that. Exactly what I just asked, right?
So if you provide a breath, we're going to do the machine. After that, you're going to go in that holding cell for up to 6 hours. If you know that you don't want to do the breath, you're going to go in that cell for up to 6 hours. Same result. The difference is what the Department of Licensing does with your driver's license.
Which is what?
I'm going to reread this document
No,
because
can
it
you just
explains
tell
it.
me, please?
I'm not allowed to interpret this.
What do I have to do to just breathalyze this and leave? I don't want to be here. Like, is there any way I can just be like, boom, whatever, you take my license away and I go, please? I literally just don't want to be here.
My plan
What?
is, as long as you don't have any warrants for your arrest and you don't have a prior DUI,
I don't.
then I'm
I
not
don't.
booking you into the county jail.
Just please, like.
Okay? All right, so we'll go back to the question. Will you now
I'm
submit
fine.
to a
Just-
breath
well,
test?
That's fine. I just
Okay.
wanna go. Okay? Like, what's the soonest I can get out of here? Please, I don't wanna be here.
So the soonest you could get out of here is probably about 4 a.m. It's 2 a.m. right now. That's 2 hours. You could be here up to 6. That's the longest you're allowed to be here.
I know, but who's gonna pick me up at 4 a.m.? Nobody.
Your boyfriend. I spoke with him.
Yeah, no, he's not gonna be awake at
No,
that
he-
hour.
He said he's waiting for your phone call so he can come and pick you up. He said he's sober. He can come pick you up.
Can we just get this over with, please?
I'm trying to do it as quickly as possible. Well, the next section is a question and answer section. Some of these questions are going to sound silly or redundant. I just have to ask them the same. Do you have any physical impairments? Please put your feet down. I wouldn't come to your house and put my feet on yours. Please put your feet down.
No.
Okay. Do you limp?
Do I limp?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Are you sick or injured?
At the moment, sure, no.
Sorry, that's
No!
two answers. Okay. Are you under the care of a doctor or dentist?
What? Yes. Isn't everyone under the care of a
I don't know.
dentist?
I think
right?
they mean more like
My
you got a
mom's a
procedure
dentist.
like coming up or something.
Nope. I don't know. My mom's a dentist. I don't know. I'm always under the care of a
Okay.
dentist.
Are you diabetic or epileptic?
No.
Do you take insulin?
No.
Have you taken any medicines or drugs in the last 24 hours?
No.
Any prescription medications? Non-prescription medications? Those ones don't apply then. Have you had any cocaine?
Nope.
Any marijuana?
No.
Any other drugs?
Nope.
Do you have impaired vision?
Nope.
Do you wear corrective lenses?
No.
Were you wearing them at the time you were
No.
stopped? Obviously not.
Obviously not.
But I gotta ask questions. How many hours of sleep did you get last night?
No. Do you count the hours of sleep?
Yeah.
Sleep you get per night? Do you?
Yeah, I got about
keep
7.5.
I don't know. I probably fell asleep at like 1. I woke up at like 9:30. So I don't know, 8.5 hours, right?
Okay, sure.
You think?
Were you driving the vehicle?
Nope.
That's odd.
It was a ghost. It wasn't me, huh?
Okay. Anything mechanically wrong with the vehicle?
No. My tire pressure is off, they say. But
Okay,
I can't really
sure.
count that.
All right.
But yes, I was driving the vehicle. Sorry, I was making a joke. Of course I was.
Okay. I appreciate that.
Like, obviously.
Have you been injured or involved in any collisions the last 24 hours?
No.
Have you had any alcohol to drink since being stopped, meaning me pulling you over?
No. What do you mean?
Meaning me pulling...
Me, since you've been handcuffed me, how slick do you think I am?
Some people say
Obviously
yes.
not.
Some people say yes.
Obviously not.
Okay. Where were you going before I stopped you?
You know,
I don't...
right there where you pulled me over.
Okay. You're heading to the parking lot
Yep.
on A Street?
Yep.
Okay. Without looking, what time do you think it is?
I don't know. I don't even know what time it was when I left, actually. Maybe like 11:23.
Okay. It's very specific.
What time is it right now?
It is currently 1:56.
Is it really? Damn.
What street were you on when I stopped you?
A Street?
Do you know which direction you're traveling? North, south, east, west?
South.
Okay. Where'd you start driving from?
Nanya. Is that an option?
I can write it down if you want.
The retreat. I just don't. Why is that any of their business?
Like I said, I just have to fill out the paper. Do you recall what time you started driving?
I don't know. 10 minutes before. No,
10 minutes before I stopped you?
probably.
What day of the week is it?
Thursday.
What city/county are you in now?
Pullman. Oh, crazy, huh?
And
Main County, 99163, huh?
it's good. A lot of people don't know the county. What's today's date?
9/14/23. Good thing I know, because I go to class every day, huh?
Have you been drinking alcoholic beverages?
I don't know. Questionable. You'll have to see for yourself. No.
Okay.
Okay, if I say no, then what? If I say yes, then what?
No, then I just mark down your answer. This is not to trick you or anything. I just record your answer.
Okay.
What have you been drinking?
Nanya. Again. N-A.
None. I don't know how to spell it. None.
None. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. You got it.
How much did you have to drink?
I have no idea. I thought I was fine. We were drinking at our friend's house earlier, and we all walked back. And then I went to get my boyfriend. I thought I was fine, but
Okay. What time did you start drinking?
I have no idea. None yet.
All right. No idea. It's easier to write down. Who have you been drinking with?
What?
Who have you been drinking
Who?
with?
You want me to list like all like the 20 names of people I've
I
been
can write friends.
friends.
It's a little easier.
Yep.
Where were you drinking?
Switched.
Sorry?
we were at the land, and then we walked back to our house, and then we walked back to our other friend's house.
Okay.
So
I'll just
I
put
don't really know what you want me to say.
private houses.
Sure.
Do you recall the time of your last drink?
No. I think we.
Do you believe your ability to drive was affected by your alcohol and or drug use?
No.
Have you been arrested for DUI before?
Nope.
So this is 40 seconds left on it. Punch in all the information. Time to do your sample. What I'm going to have you do is you're going to stand up.
Can I just go home, please?
Not at the moment.
I know, but after this, please just.
I will.
And if I do, just let me go home.
I will do my
really
best.
don't wanna be.
Please listen to the instructions. I'm going to put this into the breath nozzle. When I tell you, you're going to stand up, you're going to take a deep breath so your lungs can't hold any more air. Then you're going to blow steady through this tube until all the air is gone.
Yeah, my
It's
mom
gonna.
made me used to do it.
Do you do breathalyzers?
Yep.
No. It might be a little different. It's still thinking. You can sit if you want.
I know how to do it.
It's going to take about 10-second sample. It's probably longer than you're accustomed to.
It's fine.
Go ahead and take your deep breath in and blow out. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're about halfway. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and stop. Have a seat. That's going to think for just a couple minutes. We'll do it one more time,
Okay.
and then I can take the handcuffs off.
Can you please just like after just give me a ticket and let me go, please? I really don't want to be.
All right. Okay. Have a seat. We're almost through this part.
No, I know. I just really don't want to be here, please.
I fully understand.
You don't. You don't. Have you ever been here in this
No.
position? No, you don't.
I wouldn't be allowed to be a police officer.
Exactly. You don't know what it feels like. So don't say you know, because you don't.
No, I understand you don't want to be here, is what I'm saying.
But to an extent, you don't understand, because you've never been in this seat before with your fucking hands cuffed behind your back. I just want to go home. And I don't care. Like, at this point, like, whatever happens, I just want to go home. There's no point in me here. Just drive me home, please. What do you want?
We have to do the second one, and then it's done.
I can't even.
Okay. Take your deep breath in.
I'm sorry.
Take your deep breath in, please.
Oh my God.
We're almost done.
Sorry.
Okay, and blow out. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, you unsealed your lips, so the air didn't go through it. Take your deep breath in. As soon as you provide the sample, I can get the handcuffs off. Blow out. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, 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 keep going. Almost there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay. That was my body camera. That was the machine.
Is it fine though?
It's gonna tell me here in a second. Take your handcuffs off.
Me? Like, I know how to do it? What do you mean?
Listen to me. I just said the words. I'm gonna take your handcuffs off.
I thought you said take your handcuffs off. Like, I don't do it.
Hold still, please. Hold still. If you twist, I can't get them off. Go back how you are. Please sit down. Have a seat. Right there. Sit down. I don't think you really understand the gravity of the situation right now. The way you're behaving is childish. I understand that. But you decided to drive intoxicated tonight through the streets of Pullman, where there's hundreds of people walking around. Thank God you didn't hit anyone. Your result sheets are going to print off in a minute. After that, we're going to review it together. After that, you're going to be placed in a cell where you will remain until you are released.
Until when?
Can't tell you when. It'll be within 6 hours. I will get you a blanket, and you'll stay there. I'll be back with you in a couple hours.
Can I make a call or what?
No.
No?
Be back with
What
you.
is that about? I thought that was like, I can make
It's
a call.
TV. That's if you're booked into jail. You don't want to be booked into jail.
What? I can't make one call?
No, it's a TV thing. This is a holding facility. It's not a jail.
Okay. But what? I can't.
Get in the cell.
What? I can't make a call
Nope.
to anyone?
Get in the cell. Do it now.
For how long?
Get in the cell.
For how long?
You can be up here for 6 hours. I don't know how many more times I could answer that question for you.
You don't have any answer for me.
6 hours. Get in the cell. Yeah, I know. Okay. This piece of paper is your right to a hearing. Because you provided a breath sample, you have the right to have a telephonic hearing about the potential upcoming suspension of your license. If you would like to do that, you need to send in a check for $375 within 7 days from today to this address here, Department of Licensing. If you don't send it in, they just assume you don't want that hearing. Okay? So that piece of paper. You don't have to sign anything.
I don't know.
Okay. This piece of paper is talking about this. So it says, notice of a right to a hearing. I have been given a written notice to my right to a hearing, including the steps required to obtain a hearing, and understand that the notice of suspension, revocation, or denial of license will be mailed to the address of record on file with the Department of Licensing. So I need your signature there that you're getting this piece of paper. This piece of paper is your criminal citation. So it has your information, your vehicle's information, and what you're being charged with driving under the influence. Up top here, essentially what it says, the next 15 days they're going to be mailing you a packet of this papers to this address you provided me. If that's wrong, or you want your paperwork to go somewhere else, call the court. Their website, mail address, all right here. The reason that's important is if they assign you a court date and you don't show up, there'd be a warrant for your arrest. This piece of paper is your copy of the breath sample. Again, just shows the results of your 2 breath samples. This piece of paper is called your conditions of release. So when I release you here, this is what you have to follow. So anytime someone's arrested for DUI, they have to be in court the next court day. It's not your trial or anything, but it's an initial appearance. They'll tell you what you're being charged with. They'll give you information. You have to be there. If you don't show up, there's a warrant for your arrest. So it's today, the 15th,
The fuck?
at 1
I
p.m.
have to be there today?
Yep.
Wait, what? That's not, I have class today.
No, you have court today.
What, what, here?
So listen, today, 1 p.m.,
Fuck?
Colfax, Washington.
That's fucking bullshit. I have class today, and I have important
No,
meetings
it's
today with
not
my
bullshit.
professors.
You committed a crime. You need to be in court. Are you going to show up for court? If you say no, I book you into jail.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to court.
Excellent. That's the right choice.
Obviously, yeah.
Your appearance at the above time and location is mandatory and it may not be waived. Your failure to personally appear for this hearing or failure to comply with the below conditions of release shall result in the immediate issuance of a bench warrant for your arrest. So when I let you go, until you see the judge, this is what you have to do. Pending this hearing, the court has ordered that you comply with the following conditions of release. 1, you should not possess or consume alcohol or unprescribed controlled substances. 2, you should not drive a motor vehicle without a valid license, while suspended or revoked and without required liability insurance or compliance with applicable responsibility laws. I promise to appear. I have received a copy of this notice, and I understand the above conditions of release, and I promise to comply and appear as directed above. Okay? You understand where you have to be and what time? If you don't, then we'll just go to your class or your house and arrest you and then take you to jail. It would not be awesome.
Yeah, I know.
Need 2 signatures from you. First one's your fingerprint card, goes off to the FBI. Second one is a disposition sheet. It's used by the court to track the progress of your case. Write that down. You can start putting your property back on. Take your blanket. As soon as you grab all your stuff. The door without the window there, push hard on that door. Push hard on the second door, you'll be out in the lobby.